the all-new Range Rover. And I've started the video from the back of the car because them new LED lights that they've put on the rear are fantastic. Now this car, I'm just going to do that again. I'm just locking it. Let me just show you these lights again. This car's a 2022 finished in Santorini Black. Look at it. It's got the 23-inch wheels. It's got the Perlino leather inside. It's a 350 brake horsepower, diesel. It's got the sunroof. It's just got the nice extras. It's got the right interior. It's just got all the extras and the look of the car that you would want if ordering one of these cars. So the car, the colour, the interior, 23-inch wheels, shadow line exterior. It is incredible, and it's a 350. A lot of the cars available on the market are 300 horsepower diesels. This has got that extra 50 horsepower, and it does make a difference. You get that extra little bit of power. The cars are HSE. So again, a lot of the cars on the market are SEs. HSE gives you things like heads-up display, heated and cooled seats, things that on previous models were all extras. So that makes a big difference again. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. It is stunning. And the shadow line exterior, you get this beautiful styling. So you get the colour, different colours around them segments of the grille, the badging, the inserts. LED, these are the new generation digital LED headlights. So they've changed the headlights as well. Fantastic automatic lights, go around corners, just great driving experience. Again, wheels. So standard car, you get 21-inch wheels. There's options of 21, 22s, 23s. The 23s, a great optional extra. They're split spoke, in gloss black, set the car off beautifully well. You've then got that colouring again on them Atlas fence. Part of the new Range Rover gives you this big wide segment at the bottom, this big section at the bottom of the doors there, which makes it really wide. Looks superb. Privacy glass on the back. And then you get that extra rear section, which I showed you earlier in the video, but the car looks superb. And to drive, I've said it, and you know, we've sold a lot of these cars now, probably more than a lot of other dealers, more than Land Rover maybe. And I can't explain the job that Land Rover have done because the cars drive unbelievable. And I'm trying to compare to other, you know, I saw the Bentayga last week. It was over £200,000. It doesn't drive as well as this car. Not a chance. There isn't a better four-wheel drive for sale on the market at the moment than the new Range Rover. Trust me, there isn't. In the back, we've got beautiful rear electric seats. You've got the Meridian 3D surround speaker system, which is part of the HSE. Beautiful Perlino leather. You've got that piano black interior finish, which for me, if I was ordering this car and I wanted black with Perlino, you'd want the piano black finish inside. Just makes it up to date, doesn't make the car look too dated. You've got soft closed doors, beautiful deployable door handles. And then when we get in, they're a great place to be, these new Range Rovers. I love the comfort, the seating position, everything about it. New generation steering wheel. And then I'm just going to show you some features. So you can see, noticeably, you've got, this is 3D digital cockpit, which is just brought out there, you can see. On here, you've got adaptive cruise, you've got heated steering wheel, heads-up display there. You've got this huge 13.1-inch screen there. So look at the camera system on this as well. So you've got 3D surround camera system. Again, moving up, sliding sunroof, being paid for as an option. Fantastic option. And then if I just slide, you can see the beautiful piano black finish there. You've got wireless charging there. You've got beautiful cabin lighting. That's what they call it now. So you've got the ambient lighting. You can change all the colours with that as well. If I go into the main section here and show you this, if we go into seats, turn them on, you can see blue and red because you've got heated and you've got cooled. Back into the main menu again, and then you've got all your Alexa, which is part of the new system, park assist, your cabin lighting, what I mentioned. I'll quickly show you that. Come on, there we go. So at the moment it's in ultraviolet. You can change the colours ocean blue, fantastic colour. So you can even set it to how you want that as well. You've got USB charging points and everything in the centre. Just bags and bags of storage space. But this car as well, and I mentioned it earlier, is a 350 horsepower. It makes a big difference to the way the car drives. And again, just to show you size-wise, so in the back here, you've got digital climate control. You've got heated rear seats. So if I push that button in there, turn them on, you've got heated and you've got cooled in the back as well, part of the HSE. Beautiful armrest with these cup holders in the centre. Yeah, beautiful. Moving round the rear. Electric tailgate, which is split folding. You can drop all them seats down as well, just by buttons here. So if the camera comes round, you can see here you've got two buttons there. You can drop all the seats down. You've also got an air suspension button if you want to drop the car. So, all the extras you'd want. The right colour, Santorini Black, Perlino interior, 23-inch wheels, pan roof, piano black inside, shadow line exterior, all the features. It's going live. Ring me direct. I can take a deposit over the phone. You can come and pick it up within 24 hours. Thank you for watching.